Hi, it's me, and I'm just going to show you a little bit about my fairy tale program. First thing I'm going to do is run it so you can see it. I did Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and you can see there was a comet. Now there's a spaceship. Now there's a comet, and here comes that spaceship again. A comet, the spaceship, and at the end I actually change the background. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about part of my program here. First off, you notice I start it with when the flag is clicked, and I ask it to show, and this is the main sprite. At the end, I ask it to hide the main sprite so that you can just see the background. So in order to, when I rerun it, I don't want to rerun it with it hid. So I have to show it. And the first thing I do is I broadcast a comet, which takes you to sprite 2, which is when I receive comet. It points in the direction 90 degrees, sets x to negative 240. It repeats until x is 340, so way off the screen over here. And every 2 seconds, it goes to x equals x, so x is counting from negative 240. Y equals, and this equation is basically the equation for a parabola that'll take me across the screen like that, and changes x by 10. So x is changing by 10 from negative 240 to 340, so from over here to off the screen, and y is following this equation, and this is the equation for the parabola. So, and that's when it receives comet. So that's what sprite 2 does. Sprite 3 does something very similar when it receives spaceship. Only this, instead of going every 0.2, it's actually following the same parameter, but instead of 10, it's first off, it's going this way, so it's going from 240 to negative 380. It's a lot longer, so it had to go further off the screen so you can't see it. And it's also changing costume, because it's changing costume between the spaceship with no burner and the spaceship with a burner, so that's what it makes it look like it's pulsing. So, and then the stage at the end, oops, if we go back to the main sprite clicked, it goes to the initial costume, which is just a sorry sky, but then when it receives the end, near the end, it switches the costume to the end. So that's all I'm going to talk about for now, and we'll put some questions up.